Good afternoon to all of you. Welcome to the class of sociology. Today we will discuss about Auguste Comte, who is known as the founding father of sociology. Auguste Comte was the first to develop the concept of sociology. He defined sociology as a positive science. Comte was born in Montpellier on 20th January 1798 and died on 5th September 1857. Theories and concepts. These are main works and theories of Auguste Comte. Classification of science, positivism, law of three states, religion of humanity. Law of three states. Law of three states is one of the most famous works of Auguste Comte. The law of three stages is an idea developed by Auguste Comte in his work Positive Philosophy. It states that society as a whole and each particular science develops through three mentally conceived states. First stage is theological stage, second stage is metaphysical stage, and third stage is scientific stage. Theological stage. During the earlier stages, people believed that all the phenomena of nature are the creation of the divine or supernatural. Comte broke these states into three sub-states: faithism, polytheism, and monotheism. Faithism. Faithism was the primary stage of the theological stage of thinking. Throughout this stage, primitive people believed that inanimate objects have living spirit in them. This is also known as animism. Polytheism. At one point, faithism began to bring about doubt in the minds of its believers. As a result, people turned toward polytheism, the explanation of things through the use of many gods. Monotheism. Monotheism means believing in one God. In this state, people believe a single theistic entity is responsible for the existence. Metaphysical stage. The metaphysical stage is the extension of the theological stage. People often try to believe that God is an abstract being. They believe that an abstract power or force guides and determines events in the world. Scientific stage. The scientific stage, also known as the positive stage, refer to scientific explanation based on observation, experiment, and comparison. Positive explanations rely upon a distinct method, the scientific method, for their justification. Today, people attempt to establish cause and effect relationships. Conclusion. Comte, however, was conscious of the fact that the three stages of thinking may or do coexist in the same society or in the same mind and may not always be successive. Overall, Comte saw his law of three states as the start of the scientific field of sociology as a positive science. Thank you.